Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum 10th class. How are you all? Hope you all will be fine and safe. I am your biology teacher, Mrs. Mumtaz Sultan. Today's topic is reflex action. Sometimes the involuntary response produced by the central nervous system is very quick. Such a quick response is called reflex action. Automatic, quick and involuntary response by central nervous system is called reflex action. Types of reflex action. There are two types of reflex action. When central nervous system send impulses to muscle and glands, two types of actions or responses results. First one is voluntary action. The higher center of brain control conscious action or voluntary actions. What are voluntary actions? The actions which are done by our will are called voluntary actions. And these actions, voluntary actions, are controlled by higher center of brain. Examples: picking up a book from our table, take meal 3 times a day. हम अपनी मर्जी से खाते हैं. Involuntary action, when impulses are not passed to higher center of brain. When not passed to higher center of brain, it results in responses which are not under conscious control. Such responses are called involuntary action. What are involuntary actions? The actions which are not done by our will are called involuntary actions. For example, digestion of food, heartbeat, blood pressure. What is reflex arc? Reflex arc is a pathway, एक रास्ता है. The pathway followed by nerve impulses for producing a reflex action, mean quick action produce करने के लिए जो pathway nerve impulse follow करती है is called reflex arc. Example of reflex action. The most common example of reflex action is the withdrawal of hand after touching a hard object. You have seen the animation, how quick the girl withdraw her hand. In this reflex action, spinal cord, this is a spinal cord, it acts as a coordinator. Heat stimulate temperature and pain receptor in the skin. A nerve impulse is generated, which is carried by sensory neuron to the interneuron of spinal cord. From interneuron, the impulse is passed to the motor neuron, which carry it to the muscles of the arm. As a result, the muscles contract to withdraw hand. During it, other interneurons transmit nerve impulses up to the brain. अभी ब्रेन को पता नहीं है, आपने withdraw कर दिया हैंड को, अभी ब्रेन को नहीं पता, अब ये ब्रेन को मैसेज सेंड कर रहा है. During it, interneuron transmit nerve impulses up to the brain so that the person becomes aware of pain and what happened. तब पता चलता है क्योंकि उसने उसकी तरफ देखा ही नहीं कि उसका हाथ कहाँ पे जाके टच किया, या उसका पाँव, वो नंगे पाँव जा रहे थे और उसके पाँव के नीचे कील उसको चुभ गया, तो उसने एकदम से पाँव को, टांग को ऊपर की तरफ खींचा और फिर उसने उस खींचने के बाद मैसेज जो है ट्रैवल किया है ब्रेन में, मैसेज स्पाइनल कॉर्ड ने थ्रू इंटरन्यूरॉन ब्रेन में सेंड किया, तो उसने उस चीज़ को देखा कि क्या मेरे पाँव के नीचे क्या चीज़ चुभ गई है. योर असाइनमेंट इज Draw the diagram of reflex arc in the reflex section and define reflex arc in reflex section. Submit on the given time, please.